Sneeze is an infectious card game for 2 to 6 players by Mike Wokash.
To start, shuffle the deck of cards and deal each player 3 cards. This is the player's hand. At the start of your turn, you'll draw 1 card. In Sneeze, your goal is to infect other players with 5 different color germs. There are 10 different types of germs. Each germ comes in 8 different colors or strains. After drawing your card, you'll play a card. You can play germ cards 2 ways. First, you can infect yourself by playing a germ card face up in front of you. After playing a card, your turn is over, and play passes to the left. When it's your turn again, draw a card. Because you're already infected with a germ, you can sneeze a card. You can play a germ card that matches either the type or color you're already infected with. Pass a card to a player who isn't infected with that color. Achoo! Other players can infect you too. There are also cure cards like medicine and antibodies. If you play a black medicine card, you'll cure your black infection in the black infection of anyone at the table. Woohoo! Having 5 different colors makes you too sick to win. You can play it like normal, except you can't cure yourself. The game continues until all but 1 player has 5 different colored infections in front of them. Get your copy of Sneeze, the infectious card game, at thegramecrafter.com.